am not interested in concatenating the entire string. See here, the same program we have written here also. We have considered two strings, two arrays I can say. One is A with the 100 elements and array B with the 100 elements, character elements. And I am giving the chance to the user to enter first sentence what he needs. I am writing welcome to, and that welcome to is read because we are using the string handling function gets, which is a string reading function. It is reading the entire string that is written with the help of the keyboard. Now we are giving the chance to the user to enter the second sentence. The second sentence, per suppose I am entering programming. Now here you can observe strncat. What is this difference? We have already discussed strcat. What is this strncat? There comes the difference. This n particularly says how many characters in the B you want to add to A. There is no difference in A. Welcome to is remaining. But in B, only 5 characters, PROGR, those 5 characters are added to A. This is the concatenating the string B with the limited number of characters. If you give A, B, 6, then the 6 characters PROGRA, the 6 characters in B will be added to A, and the concatenated combined string will be printed. Now we are executing this program. Let's see how this works. So enter the first sentence. I am writing welcome to. Enter the second sentence. I have forgotten to give the space. Okay, somehow welcome to C programming. Now you can see welcome to C programming. I have written the entire string. This string is read by the gets, but the problem here is the string concatenation is limited only up to the 5 characters. Now I want to check whether this is working properly or not. Let's change the number to 7. Okay, then PROGRAM program should be added to the string A. Let's check whether that is working or not. So we are writing, enter the first sentence, welcome to. This time I have not forgotten to give the space. Enter the second sentence, C programming. Okay, programming I will give. Programming. Then you will see, welcome to program. The 7 characters are added to the string A. This is how we use the strncat in the C. This is one way of printing by using strncat. As we have already discussed, a standard programmer, good programmer always tries to reduce the number of lines. I am giving the strncat in the same line. So if I execute this program, the same output will come. Welcome to, I have given space, programming. So welcome to program, where we have done, okay, this time we have given only 5 letters. That's why only PROGR is added to the welcome to. This is how we use the strncat in the C programming.